Hello, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on April 30th, 2022. Welcome to another surviving day on the planet, and welcome to the quick daily do here, having a quick look at space weather, earthquakes, and as well just a quick update worldwide. Starting out here, looking at our sun, 304 angstroms. We had a pretty large event, southwestern limb of our sun yesterday, and now today we've got a big event on the northeast side, as that big sunspot grouping released 3 M-class flares overnight. So those sunspot groupings are responsible for at least a dozen or more solar flares in the past 4 days. Another closer look at the region, showing the most recent M-class flare. There's 1, 2, and large CME projected as well from that region. Quick look at multispectrum the last 48 hours. No major coronal holes to report. Watching on the northwestern limb of this image, you can see plasma filament erecting and stretching across the surface of the sun and antipodal regions in the southeast. Another look here, 171 angstroms, and this shows all of the solar loops in our heliosphere. That large sunspot grouping is now turning away. Luckily, it was quiet during the Earth-facing position. Looking at our solar X-ray flux, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 M-class solar flares overnight, as the KP index jumped up over KP5 right up into the early parts of today, May 1st now. Looking at the D.E.W absorption map, showing the cosmic alert areas throughout the day today. And it is still hitting us. Very long pulse. Looking at ISWA Space Prediction Spiral, you can see all of the events here ejected. Straight at the Parker Solar Probe, and as well Venus, but not in an Earth-facing position. Also wanted to show you here, we have an extreme weather event that is broken out across eastern United States and central. We've got about 8 tornado warnings right now across 4 states. Especially volatile here in the southeast coming out of the Gulf. And then Albuquerque, Texas tonight. Watch for extreme weather to continue. Would not surprise me if we get many touchdowns from this tornado event. Quick look here, Pacific Disaster Center showing where all the tornado warnings are. Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Paducah, Kentucky. No warnings just yet through Alabama. But definitely going to be keeping an eye on this. We'll have the live stream up shortly. And we'll be showing the satellite imagery of these storms and posting alerts as they come in. Another closer look here at this storm. Very large low pressure system, as this will be heading slowly east-northeast, heading up into parts of northern Ontario and then into the Great Lakes. A lot of warm air being funneled up from the Gulf. Quick earthquake update here for you around the world. No major earthquakes to talk about. Largest earthquake the last 24 hours was 5.0, and that was 1 in Fiji, and as well 1 in the South Sandwich Islands. But other than that, it's looking pretty quiet. Interesting quakes here, the southern hemisphere, from the South Sandwich Islands and eastward, south of Africa. 50-kilometer depth there. 4.9 here, Prince Edward Islands region. As well, 4.9 Mid-Indian Ridge. Lots of sporadic 4.6 to 4.9s here through Indonesia. 4.6 there at Krakatoa. 4.6 here, Bamboo Flat, India, 30 kilometer depth, as well as 4.1 being reported in Iran today. No real deep earthquakes to report. Deepest one here through Fiji was the 10 kilometer depth. Deepest earthquake across the map was in South America. Having a look here, Sand Point, 4.4. Hawaii reporting minor activity, increasing as of late. Nothing major to report across the North American plate. Central America, steady. And then here, Abrapampa, Argentina, 222 kilometer depth, 4.3 earthquake, and that's the deepest the past 24 hours. Leave you here looking at the last 7 days for earthquakes across the world. Hope you enjoyed today's quick update. If you did, please hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Much love to y'all. Thanks for watching. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. And get your daily dew. See you next video or in stream. Bye-bye.